Wanna know how to post on Instagram with maximum quality for stories, posts, and reels? Let's see the process. So first you have to open up your Instagram and go to your profile. Many times after uploading a reel, post, or story, the quality looks lower than expected. So even if the original video or photo was clear, that can be really frustrating. So now to fix this, from your profile, tap on the hamburger menu. Then from the media quality, here you have to make sure upload at highest quality is turned on. And also check that use less cellular data and disable display of HDR media is turned off. And this alone fixes the issue for most people. But if you're still seeing low quality, especially when you record using your phone camera, then the problem is likely your device camera settings. So now to fix this, you have to go to your phone settings, tap camera, and now from the record video option, so try to keep it 1080p HD at 60 fps, and next open format and make sure high efficiency is selected. So then you have to go to photo capture and set it to 24 MP. And that's it. Now upload your content again and you should see a big improvement in quality. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for your time.